Here's how to generate a production-ready AI prompt in under a minute. Most teams get stuck staring at a blank page, wondering what to write. Now, the setup does the thinking for you. In this video, we'll explore our latest enhancements, building an AI agent using the AI-powered prompt script generation feature. Let's walk through the process together. First, we're in our AI call agent dashboard. From here, we'll go to Assistants. You'll see the Build Your Assistant button. After clicking it, we land on the first step. This is the welcome screen. Click Get Started. Next, we select our agent type. For this demo, let's select Call Agent AI plus Zoho CRM, then Continue. Now we choose the industry. This helps the AI generate a more accurate prompt based on the business type. I'll select Real Estate for now and Continue. In Step 4, we configure all the agent details step by step. I've filled in all the required fields. Now I'll explain what kind of data goes into each field. Here we enter the agent name, business name, and agent type, either inbound or outbound. I've selected inbound. In the next step, we set up the greeting message. This includes the user's name and the company name. Next, we add additional details. You can manually enter all required data in the instructions section. In this instructions section, you can define everything you want the agent to do. If all instructions are added here, the other fields can be skipped. Next is brand personality, which defines how the agent should sound. You can also add frequently asked questions and include as many as you want using the Add button. In the next field, we configure appointment scheduling types. I've added 3, but you can add more as needed. Then we configure post-booking reminders, escalation scenarios, and topics to avoid. After filling out all of these fields, click Generate AI Enhanced Prompt. The AI generates the script, which you can review and edit. The prompt is now generated, and you can also add or adjust requirements manually. You can make changes even after the agent is created. This is the AI-generated script. Next, click Save Configuration. In the final step, you'll see options to integrate Zoho and add phone numbers. You can skip this step for now. As you can see, the agent has been successfully generated. From here, you can also modify the script. There are multiple options available. You can generate a completely new script or update the existing one. Using the AI modifier, you can adjust the script based on specific requirements. Finally, you can view a quick summary of the prompt by clicking the Quick View button. No prompt engineering, no trial and error, just fast, confident setup. Go from zero to prompt in under a minute with Call Agent AI.